When cleaning your pool in the spring, you must first remove the leaves accumulated in the fall. Removing leaves on the water surface is easy with a leaf catcher. You simply insert it at the end of the pole and you're ready to get the job done. Now a leaf cleaner is a must to remove leaves at the bottom of your pool. You'll no longer struggle to bring the leaf-filled catcher to the surface. It's also very easy to use. So you just connect your garden hose right here. You connect your pole right there. And then you place the leaf cleaner at the bottom of the pool and turn on the water from the hose. With the pressure of the water coming out, the leaves will get trapped in the net. Once done, turn off the water to avoid a good shower, bring the leaf cleaner to the surface, and empty the net. You can now vacuum in waste mode to complete the big cleanup.